Can you say hi to Aunt Kim?
Hi, Kim.
Do you remember who Aunt Kim is?
No.
Who is she?
He's Poppy's sister.
Yeah, she is Poppy's sister. Who's your sister?
Addison.
No, you gotta go on that side of the camera. Addison, do you know Addison's full name?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Grace.
Dee Dee Grace. Yep, Addison Grace. What's your name? Do you remember?
Heidi Ann.
Heidi Ann, you're right. What's your new baby sister's name?
Nora.
Nora. Do you know what her middle name is?
Susu and Dada.
Suzu and Dada. No, it's Nora May.
Nora May.
Nora May.
Susu and
Who's
Dada.
Suzu?
Susu's our dog.
Oh, she's your dog? You know, Aunt Kim, Aunt Kim has dogs.
What's her name?
I don't know. You can ask her next time you see her.
Heidi.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Dee Dee. Say bye-bye.